Hey, what's up guys, welcome back, and for getting regular updates make sure to subscribe. So as we all know, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to be one sick smartphone with a lot of new interesting updates. You may even call it a crazy smartphone, but not everything is perfect, and there is indeed one feature which the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will not be getting a huge update for. And hey, it's not a super big thing and it's definitely not a reason to skip the smartphone, but let's get started with what I'm talking about. So recently the battery capacity of both the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 smartphones have gotten leaked, and it's not featuring as big of an update as we would have hoped for. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series passed through Chinese certification and it revealed the model numbers and the rated capacity of both the Galaxy Note 20 smartphones. The smaller Galaxy Note 20 has been rated for a total battery capacity of 4170 mAh. This seems a little bit small, but there's more than what meets the eye. The 4170 is the rated capacity and not the actual capacity. Before today, even I wasn't aware of this, but what we refer to as battery capacity is not its rated capacity. After a quick searching on the internet, I found a bit more, but basically what we refer to as battery capacity is greater than its rated capacity, as the rated capacity is the minimum amount of current it could supply over a sustainable period of time under normal conditions. For example, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus also has a rated capacity of 4170 mAh, but we all know the battery of the Note 10 Plus as 4300 mAh. So the Note 20, when its battery capacity is rated at 4170 mAh, then the actual battery capacity what Samsung will tell you will be 4300 mAh. The bigger Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus also passed through the same certification and the battery has been rated for 4370 mAh. This one personally sounds disappointing, but again, it's the rated capacity, so it will probably be like 4500 mAh. These are still kind of not as big battery numbers as I would have hoped for. Even the Galaxy S20 has better batteries, but there's a very good reason for that, and that's just simple physics. The Galaxy Note has a lot less space compared to the Galaxy S series. Samsung needs to cut out a big ass slot for the S Pen, and that's why it will have a smaller battery compared to the Galaxy S20. Also, it will be slightly smaller in size than the Ultra, and it's not like that Samsung doesn't have a good excuse to use slightly smaller batteries on the Note 20 series. 4500 mAh battery is not very big for running a display of 6.9 inches of QHD resolution at 120Hz, but because Samsung will be using a LTPO display which can change its refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz, should be helpful in not totally crushing the 4500 mAh battery. Also, the LTPO displays just generally consumes about 20% lesser battery than the standard LTPS displays found on other smartphones like the Galaxy S20s or the OnePluses, or like every other smartphone in today's market other than the Galaxy Note series. But if we look at it purely on paper without any context, 4500 mAh does sound a bit smaller, and I would personally have asked for at least 4800 mAh or something like that. Let me know guys your thoughts about the battery capacity of the Galaxy Note 20 series in the comment section down below, and do subscribe for daily tech videos like this one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, give me a follow over on Twitter, help me hit 100 followers, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.